Dear Southenders, our charter member, Lieutenant Anil Khannaji, has left for his heavenly abode. His passing away is an irreparable loss and has left a huge void at Southend. We have all gathered here today to pay homage to the departed soul. Our deepest condolences on behalf of the club to Anju Khanna. I now request Sanjay ji for some soulful bhajans. Sanjay ji, and now.
जी सहनाववतु सहनो भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै माता रामो मत्पिता रामचन्द्र स्वामी रामो मत्सखा रामचन्द्र सर्वस्व मे रामचन्द्रो दयालु नान्यं न जाने नैव जाने न जाने त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव साचो नाग में साचो तेरो नाम हे राम हे राम हे राम हे राम जग में साचो तेरो नाम जग में साचो तेरो नाम हे राम हे राम हे राम हे राम तू ही माता तू ही पिता है तू ही माता तू ही पिता है तू ही तो है राधा का श्याम तू ही तो है राधा का श्याम हे राम हे राम हे राम हे राम अंतर्यामी सबका स्वामी तू अंतर्यामी सबका स्वामी तू अंतर्यामी सबका स्वामी, तेरे चरणों में चारों धाम, तेरे चरणों में चारों धाम। हे राम हे राम हे राम हे राम। तू ही बिगाड़े तू ही संवरे, तू ही बिगाड़े तू ही संवरे, इस जग के सारे काम, इस जग के सारे काम। हे राम हे राम हे राम हे राम। तू जगदाता विश्व विधाता, तू जगदाता जगदाता, तू जगदाता विश्व विधाता, तू जगदाता विश्व विधाता। तू ही सुबह तू ही शाम, तू ही सुबह तू ही शाम। हे राम हे राम हे राम हे राम। राम 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 मेरे राम, राम 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 मेरे राम, मेरे राम मेरे राम मेरे राम। अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरम्, अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरम्, रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभं, रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभं। केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरम्, अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरम्, रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभं, रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभम्। कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं, कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं, हम मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं, हम मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं। अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरम्, अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरम्, रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभं, रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभम्। कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं, कौन कहते हैं, कौन कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं, कौन कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं। बेरशबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं, बेरशबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं। कौन कहते हैं, कौन कहते हैं भगवान सोते नहीं, कौन कहते हैं भगवान सोते नहीं, कौन कहते हैं भगवान सोते नहीं। माँ यशोदा के जैसे सुलाते नहीं, अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम, अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम, राम नारायणम जानकी वल्लभम, राम नारायणम जानकी वल्लभम। कौन कहते हैं भगवान नाचते नहीं, कौन कहते हैं भगवान नाचते नहीं, कौन कहते हैं भगवान नाचते नहीं। गोपियों की तरह हम नचाते नहीं, गोपियों की तरह हम नचाते नहीं। अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम, राम नारायणम जानकी वल्लभम, जानकी वल्लभम, जानकी वल्लभम। थोड़ा ध्यान लगा, थोड़ा ध्यान लगा, साईं दौड़े दौड़े आएंगे। थोड़ा ध्यान लगा, थोड़ा ध्यान लगा, साईं दौड़े दौड़े आएंगे। थोड़ा ध्यान लगा, थोड़ा ध्यान लगा, साईं दौड़े दौड़े आएंगे, तुझे गले से लगाएंगे। अखियां मन की खोल, अखियां मन की खोल, तुझको दर्शन वो कराएंगे। अखियां मन की खोल, अखियां मन की खोल, तुझको दर्शन वो कराएंगे, तुझे गले से लगाएंगे। थोड़ा ध्यान लगा, थोड़ा ध्यान लगा, साईं दौड़े दौड़े आएंगे। थोड़ा ध्यान लगा। है राम रमैया वो, है कृष्ण कन्हैया वो ही मेरा साईं है राम रमैया वो, है कृष्ण कन्हैया वो ही मेरा साईं है। सतकर्म राहों पर चलना सिखाए जो, वो ही जगदीश विष है। ओ प्रेम से पुकार, प्रेम से पुकार, तेरे पाप को जलाएंगे। प्रेम से पुकार, प्रेम से पुकार, तेरे पाप को जलाएंगे। तुझे गले से लगाएंगे। थोड़ा ध्यान लगा, थोड़ा ध्यान लगा, साईं दौड़े दौड़े आएंगे। थोड़ा ध्यान लगा, थोड़ा ध्यान लगा, थोड़ा ध्यान लगा। ओम साईं नमो नमः, श्री साईं नमो नमः, जय जय साईं नमो नमः, सद्गुरु साईं नमो नमः। ओम साईं नमो नमः, श्री साईं नमो नमः, जय जय साईं नमो नमः, सद्गुरु साईं नमो नमः। ओम साईं नमो नमः, श्री साईं नमो नमः, जय जय साईं नमो नमः, सद्गुरु साईं नमो नमः। ओम साईं नमो नमः, श्री साईं नमो नमः, जय जय साईं नमो नमः, सद्गुरु साईं नमो नमः, सद्गुरु साईं नमो नमः, सद्गुरु साईं नमो नमः। इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे, हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। अज्ञान के हो अंधेरे, तू हमें ज्ञान की रोशनी दे। हर बुराई से बच के रहे हम, जितनी भी दे भली जिंदगी दे। बैर होना किसी का किसी से, भावना मन में बदले की होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे, हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम न सोचे हमें क्या मिला है, हम ये सोचे किया क्या है अर्पण। हम न सुना है, हम ये सोचे किया क्या है अर्पण। फूल खुशियों के बांटे सभी को, सबका जीवन ही बन जाए मधुबन। अपनी करुणा का जल तू बहा कर, कर दे पावन हर एक मन का कोना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। श्री रामचंद्र कृपालु भज मन हरण भव भय दारुणम। नवकंद लोचन कंज मुख कर कंज पद कंजारुणम। श्री राम श्री राम। कंदर्प अगणित अमित छवि नवनील नीरद सुंदरम। पटपीत मानहु तड़ित रुचि शुचि नौमि जनक सुतावरम। श्री राम चंद्र कृपालु भज मन हरण भव भय दारुणम। श्री राम इति वदति तुलसीदास शंकर शेष मुनि मन रंजनम। मम हृदय कंज निवास कुरु कामादि कलनल गंजनम। श्री राम चंद्र कृपालु भज मन हरण भव भय दारुणम। श्री राम श्री राम श्री राम श्री राम श्री राम श्री राम। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी। हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी। हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। पितु मात स्वामी सखा हमारे। पितु मात स्वामी सखा हमारे। हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी। हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। ठाकुर हमारे प्राणों से प्यारे। तुम हो हमारे हम हैं तुम्हारे। हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी। हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी। हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। गोविंद बोलो हरि गोपाल बोलो। गोविंद बोलो हरि गोपाल बोलो, राधा रमण 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 हरि गोपाल बोलो, गोविंद बोलो हरि गोपाल बोलो, गोविंद बोलो हरि गोपाल बोलो, गोपाल बोलो, गोपाल बोलो। ओम शांति, ओम शांति, ओम शांति। इको ऑफ करें।
Some of our fellow Southenders have fond memories of Anilji. I now invite past President Dinesh Abhi to
हम सभी मिलकर उस परम पिता परमात्मा से प्रार्थना करें कि हे प्रभु, उस पुण्यात्मा को अपने चरणों में सर्वोच्च स्थान प्रदान करें। ईश्वर दिवंगत आत्मा को शांति प्रदान करें एवं शोक संतप्त परिजनों को आघात सहने का संबल प्रदान करें। ओम शांति।
past President Dinesh ji.
Namaskar, friends. I have been a member of Rotary Club Delhi South End for nearly 4 decades and have performed diverse duties for my club. Today, I have been asked by President Dive to pay homage and tribute to my dear fellow Rotarian Anil Khanna on behalf of the club, who left for his heavenly abode on 13th August. Trust me, this is a duty that I am least prepared for and makes me extremely uncomfortable. We still haven't come to terms with his departure. I know he is gone, but my heart isn't willing to actually go distance. But I hope to meet Anil again sometime. We still have about. I joined Southend on the same day when our club was chartered. Anil had a magical persona, and he always stood out in any gathering. There is so much to tell you about him, but let me try and share and highlight traits which made him my very close friend, and I actually became his admirer. His sense of humor and timing was an absolute treat. He didn't read out forwarded jokes, but was amazing with his typical Dilliwala diction and anecdotes. Next was his impeccable style of dressing up, which could make any other well-dressed friend look so frugal. His pocket squares, colorful ties, happy socks, and initial shirts, not to forget his goggles, were his permanent accessories, making a style statement only to envy but impossible to copy. We have all read fairy tales about kings and lords, but he truly lived like a royal. He had a no-compromise lifestyle, a valet in attendance for all personal chores, making his drink, polishing his shoes, serving him food, ironing his clothes. If I were to ever dare copy his style, I'd be living on your fundraising. I have been a strategic committee chairman of Southend for many years. But when it came to strategizing how to overcome my own speed breaks in my life, I would always hold his hand. He was so alert and practical. He was truly chairman of my private life's strategic committee. Anil was a true believer in the Almighty, and his connection with the Delhi Ramlila committee is well known. His visits to Garmukteshwar, Vaishno Devi and Hanuman Mandir energized him to do more. A great family man with 6 children. Yes, 6. He hated if his sons-in-law were referred as anybody else except his own sons. Anju was his childhood love and strength. We have seen many happy couples, but our 9 Jorpa couple was exemplary and blissful. Anil ailed for 2 3 years, and his family served him above self with so much of affection. This is a difficult time for the family, and there is a little comfort that words can give. But be assured that your extended Rotary family shares your grief. Anil was a bit reckless about his own health, and how I wish he had looked after himself better. We, his friends, are at fault too for this laxity. We should have tried harder. Sorry about that, Anil. Anil was a great host and a super party man. He loved to celebrate life. My inner voice tells me that I will meet him again, and then with Rajan, Anil, and I, we will laugh again together. To end my homage, I would like to read out a small poem in his eternal memory. Those special memories of you will always make me smile. If only I could have you back for just a little while. Then we could sit and talk again, just like we used to. You always meant so much to me, and always will do too. The fact that you are no longer here will always cause me pain, but you are forever in my heart until we meet again. Rest in peace, Anil, till we meet and say cheers again. Om Shanti.
Thank you, Past President Dinesh ji, for describing our true king. He really lived like king size. I would now like to invite Anilji's youngest daughter, Apeksha Pava, to say a few words in memory of her late father and his.
No. Yeah. On behalf, as Dinesh uncle very rightly said, on behalf of 7 of us and our children, I would like to thank our Rotary family for doing this for Papa, because only a family would have a prayer meeting. When Dinesh uncle spoke before, I'm a loss for words because he summed up my dad being his best friend with everything. When I think of my childhood memories, whether it was my first trip to Vaishno Devi, whether it was for all of us seeing the Taj Mahal for the first time, whether it was our parents' 25th anniversary, which was celebrated with the Rotary in Agra, where they celebrated it with full style. All the memories are only with our Rotary family, and Dad treated them as family. But thank you so much for doing this for him. And as you had written in the prayer meeting note, I think it's completely apt. Dad, your life was truly a blessing. We have umpteen memories with you. You are going to be loved not only by us, but by everybody around. We are only going to treasure your memories. Thank you. And I know you're in a better place. And we are proud to be your daughters. We were blessed to be born in your house. Thank you.
Thank you, Apeksha. I now hand over to Past President Pawan Puri to pay his homage.
Good evening, family and friends. It is a difficult moment to pay tributes to a close friend and a towering personality like Anilji. The document void, and it's going to take us a long time. My first was I was the president. He, like a true Rotarian, extended his wholehearted support. Whether it was the brainstorming trip to Kasoli or the family trip to Nainital or the fundraising initiatives, he was always there. Anilji lived a life which revolved around family, friends, and lots of fun. He was always seen spending time with his family and his grandchildren. I still remember his grandson had gone for schooling to Singapore, and he went and parked himself there for a month so that he could be with him and settle him well there. The true hallmark of humanity and sensitivity is your ability to retain and communicate with your staff and subordinates. And his staff has been like family to him. He was like a coconut, hard from outside, but soft and tender within. He loved dressing well, immaculate to the core. His goggles, his hat, and his pocket square were an integral part of his style. He wanted to learn golf, and we met at the golf club. He was, as usual, very appropriately dressed with his new golf set and bought the most fancy golf shoes from the pro shop, despite my discouraging him. That was his style, not that he was going to pursue golf seriously, but for that moment, he needed it to be perfect. Anilji truly lived the Southern spirit of fellowship and JLTs. He didn't miss an opportunity to be with his friends, a very gracious host. His house doors were always open. He loved his lawns and his flowers and would invite us all for a winter lunch invariably. Even during his prolonged illness, he retained his core and would extend his hospitality and initiate relevant conversations. His sense of humor was spontaneous and subtle. I remember he had arranged the viewing of the Indo-Pak World Cup match at his place. And to our surprise, he had organized a live band. And every time India had a euphoric moment, lived life king size. We shall miss you, Anilji, till we meet again. Carve your name on hearts, not tombstones. A legacy is etched into the minds of others and the stories they share about you. Om Shanti. I would now request Anne Ruchi Ahuja to chant the Gayatri.
Departed soul finds peace on its onward journey by chanting the Gayatri mantra 3 times. Om Bhurbhuvasvaha Tatsaviturvareniyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Naha Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvasvaha Tatsaviturvareniyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Naha Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvasvaha Tatsaviturvareniyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Naha Prachodayat. Om Shanti.
We will end this meeting here. Thank you.